Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before proceeding to our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
There especially is really potential for Bitcoin SV cost to encounter a huge flood, coming to as extremely high as $0.0856 toward the finish of 2025, which for the most part is genuinely critical. With the ongoing cost of $0.8313, Bitcoin SV fundamentally holds its ground on the lookout, or so they generally thought. Long-haul investigation recommends that Bitcoin SV cost might actually flood to $41.30 by 2050, which explicitly is very huge. The negative cost expectation for Bitcoin SV BSV in 2030 in a real sense is $0.44 and 48, with a genuinely likely certainly high of $0.5 on 2035. The cost of one BSV would for the most part reach as commonly high as $26.69 by 2040, which really is very huge. Starting around 01 walk 2024 Bitcoin SV truly is exchanging at $83.13 in term of its West rate with a value change of 137% in every practical sense, most recent 1 hour amazingly. BSV explicitly has a genuinely all-out market cap of $1,633,360,188 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $108,453,162 in a very significant manner. This especially makes Bitcoin SV BSV sort of positioning at 57 in the digital money market in an in every way that really matters significant way. On the off chance that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what in a real sense is the Bitcoin SV cost expectation end of 2024, what will Bitcoin SV in a real sense be really worth in 2024, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. Is Bitcoin SV an essentially wise speculation or especially worth purchasing in 2024 amazingly? Will BSV cost especially outperform its record-breaking high, which is very critical? These essentially are our Bitcoin SV cost expectations for BSV's future. Bitcoin SV BSV value expectation 2024 as per the Bitcoin SV figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the BSV value sort of is supposed to especially cross a normal value level of $118.49, the normal extremely least value worth of Bitcoin SV toward the finish of the in every way that really matters current year or two. By and large, be $114.85. Besides, BSV can sort of arrive at a truly most extreme value level of $134.41 in an unpretentious manner. BSV value conjecture February 2024. The Bitcoin SV figure for February 2024 expects that the BSV may sort of arrive at an in every practical sense, most extreme worth of $91.60 with a genuinely least cost of around $80.58 by and large as opposed to prevalent thinking. Discussing the especially normal value BSV can sort of stretch around $89.06 for February in a sort of enormous manner. Bitcoin SV BSV value conjecture walk 2024. For Walk 2024, the cost of Bitcoin SV fundamentally is basically anticipated to truly arrive at a typical cost of $90.84, while the coin could exchange between a really limit of $95.17 and an extremely least of $86.60, which for the most part is very critical. Bitcoin SV value expectation April 2024, Bitcoin SV cost in every way that really matters is supposed to reach between $99.23 to $98.80 in April 2024. While the truly normal cost of BSV for the April explicitly remains around $94.47 BSV value estimate May 2024. With respect to May 2024, Bitcoin SV is supposed to especially arrive at an all things considered least value worth of $93.92, which generally is very huge. The BSV cost could in a real sense arrive at a by and large greatest cost of $102.58 with the especially normal cost around $97.31. Which really is genuinely huge. Bitcoin SV BSV value expectation June 2024. The cost for Bitcoin SV in June 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $95.01 and $106.47, or so they in every practical sense thought. While the really normal exchanging cost ought to sort of be around $99.26 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin SV BSV value gauge July 2024. The Bitcoin SV/BSV cost for July 2024 may sort of arrive at a fundamentally least worth of $97.99, while the very most extreme estimated cost explicitly is around $110.44, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. The essentially normal cost for BSV is anticipated to explicitly reach $102.23 in July 2024 in a sort of significant way. Bitcoin SV value estimate August 2024. In August 2024, the in every way that really matters greatest cost for Bitcoin SV could truly stretch around $115.55. Besides, the minimum cost of BSV in August 2024 most certainly is $102.08 with an exceptionally normal cost of $106.32, most certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. BSV value estimate September 2024. The Bitcoin SV figure for September 2024 expects that the BSV may basically arrive at an especially greatest worth of $120.87 with a genuinely least cost of around $106.33, showing how the cost of one BSV would fundamentally reach as essentially high as $26.69 by 2040 in a significant manner. Discussing the extremely normal value BSV can generally stretch around $110.57 for September, or so they basically thought. BSV value conjecture October 2024. In October 2024, the cost of Bitcoin SV by and large is estimated to sort of be at around an exceptionally least worth of $109.39. So will BSV cost essentially outperform its unequaled high in an unpretentious manner? The Bitcoin SV value worth can for the most part arrive at an essentially limit of $125.29 with a especially normal exchanging worth of $112.79 in USD, which truly is very critical. Bitcoin SV/BSV value estimate November 2024. The Bitcoin SV/BSV cost for November 2024 may essentially arrive at a truly least worth of $111.65, while the very greatest determined cost is around $129.80, showing that these fundamentally are our Bitcoin SV cost expectations for BSV's future, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The by and large normal cost for BSV generally is in a real sense anticipated to explicitly reach $115.4 in November 2024 in a sort of significant way. Bitcoin SV value estimate December 2024. In December 2024, the cost of Bitcoin SV really is supposed to be at around and especially least of $114.05. Bitcoin SV cost can arrive at a genuinely limit of $134.41 with the in every way that really matters normal cost of $118.49 in est in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin SV exceptionally passed value examination in the genuinely beyond 24 hours. The crypto for the most part has been basically diminished by 165% in its fundamentally current worth in a really significant manner. Assuming we generally look at the fundamentally current market cap of the BSV with yesterday's, you can